Welcome to this video, where we answer the big question, are state quarters a good investment? If you've ever found a state quarter in your pocket and wondered if it could be worth something one day, you're not alone. The state quarters program, launched by the U.S. Mint in 1999 and running through 2008, was one of the most popular coin series in history. But does that popularity translate into a smart investment? Let's break it down. The popularity of state quarters. The state quarters program featured unique designs for each of the 50 U.S. states, with 5 new quarters released per year. Millions of Americans joined the collecting craze, searching their pocket change for new quarters to complete their collections. The excitement led to an increase in demand, and some people even hoarded rolls of these coins, hoping they would appreciate in value over time. Rarity and value. When it comes to investing in coins, rarity is a key factor. Unfortunately, most state quarters were produced in massive quantities. The U.S. Mint struck billions of them, making common versions easy to find even today. For example, the 2000 Virginia quarter had a mintage of over 1.5 billion *, not exactly rare. That said, certain state quarters are worth more than face value. Error coins, for example, can be valuable. Some of the most famous errors include the 2004 Wisconsin extra leaf quarter *, which has an extra leaf on the corn stalk and can be worth hundreds of dollars. The 1999 Delaware spitting horse quarter *, which features a die crack near the horse's mouth, resembling spit. Some of these sell for $20 to $100 *. Beyond errors, coins in pristine condition, graded MS67 or higher, can fetch higher prices, especially if they are from lower mintage states like Oklahoma or Hawaii. Long-term investment potential. Most state quarters, even in good condition, are unlikely to increase significantly in value. Because so many were saved, supply outweighs demand. While a few rare errors and high-grade coins can be valuable, the vast majority will likely remain worth only 25 cents. However, state quarters do have historical and sentimental value. They introduced millions of people to coin collecting and remain a fun and educational series. If you enjoy collecting them, that alone can be worthwhile, but from a pure investment standpoint, they may not be the best choice. Collecting for fun versus investing for profit. One of the biggest mistakes new collectors make is assuming that all old or unique-looking coins will gain value over time. While the state quarters program was exciting, it was also heavily marketed. The U.S. Mint produced billions of these coins, and many people held onto them thinking they would become rare. Because of this, the vast majority of state quarters are still easily found today, keeping their value low. That said, if you're collecting purely for fun, the state quarters series is still a great set to put together. Many collectors enjoy finding each design, learning about the history behind the states, and even searching for rare errors. But if your goal is to make money *, it's important to be realistic. What factors make a quarter valuable? While most state quarters are common, a few factors can increase their worth. 1. Errors and varieties. As mentioned earlier, quarters with minting errors can sell for significantly more than face value. Always check for oddities like extra marks, missing details, or misstrikes. 2. High-grade coins. Coins graded MS67 or higher by services like PCGS or NGC can be worth more, especially if they are from lower mintage states. However, grading fees can be high, so it's not always worth submitting lower value coins. 3. Silver-proof quarters. The U.S. Mint released special silver-proof versions of state quarters, which contain *90% silver. These are far more valuable than regular quarters, especially if silver prices rise. Alternative coin investments. If you're looking for coins with stronger investment potential, consider pre-1965 silver quarters. These contain real silver and hold intrinsic value. Key date coins. Older U.S. quarters with low mintage numbers tend to appreciate over time. Gold and bullion coins. Coins made from precious metals have historically held value better than modern collectibles. Final verdict. Are state quarters a good investment? For most people, state quarters are not a great financial investment. While some rare varieties have value, the majority are worth face value or slightly more. If you're interested in collecting, they're a fun and affordable series to complete, but if you're looking for serious profit, other coin types may be a better choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've ever found a valuable state quarter. Happy collecting!